Visual anthropology, more than anything, is defined by its methodologies, which involve long-term engaged involvement in a community, utilising art forms as a means to create visibilities, create forms of social engagement, and create new kinds of art in which certain kinds of intervening in tired public media-dominated terrains can take shape. So first of all, it would be a way of working with people and an orientation to a community in which the practice and the process of the work that you are doing with people may be more important ultimately than the object you produce at the end, where process, context, collaboration itself may become the object. The lab is comprised, as it was, of a series of different projects, all of which are working out in various social and cultural fields. In my field, what that topic and what that field actually is determined by the community and the participants and the collaborators far more than by myself. It often gets reshaped and reformulated as you go, which is one of the most exciting and most dynamic aspects of it, so that the capacities then of what it is that you're actually undertaking can transform. At least for my purposes, and indeed for a lot of the kind of socially engaged art that I think is being produced today, those kinds of collective public engagements are really what you're aiming for, you know, often more than anything else. That they are your real peers and they are your real audience. And indeed, a lot of these art forms require participant response. They require participant engagement to complete the work. They will learn methods and techniques for research, which is that it provides means to understand how to conduct research, where you learn about how other people think, do things, make things, be in the world. So one of the things that we will do is teach students a little bit about some of the kinds of different projects that are taking shape under the banner of visual anthropology and socially engaged art today. A sound artist, an experimental sound artist, again a long-term project in the program at the moment, who's working on how to hear tactile, sonically, using experimental sound techniques, how to hear the sound of Jugurpa, or what Aboriginal people call the dreaming. He's working with Yolngu people in the northern part of Australia, trying to design new forms of recording haptic and tactile sounds, vibrations, sonic energies, which Aboriginal people can hear. But our Western sensorium, the way in which our Western body culturally hears and puts the world together, can't.